Got a work order for no cooling, and I just shut the thermostat off. It was a call from last night. My tech came and put the portable in last night for them and shut the unit down, and upon arriving here today, it looks like they must have turned it back on thinking it was going to work, and we're still froze because it's been on all day. So now that we're off, I'll have to let it thaw out before I can get it back up and running, but I guess we'll see if it's the thermostat. We'll start there. We'll jump that out and see what happens. I pulled the thermostat off, jumped it out, and still nothing. No indoor blower motor. So it looks like we'll pull the disconnect and the cover off, and we'll see if the little 3 amp fuse is blown, and we'll check the cap as well. Alright, we got the cover off, and it appears our 3 amp fuse is good. It's hard to see, but it's connected. It's all good. So we'll check the cap. And we're getting 7.46, and we're looking for 7.5, so the cap is good as well. So I'm gonna say we got a bad blower board here. These Goodmans are known for that. So I'm going to grab a new blower board out of the shop and we'll swap it out. Alright, just to confirm, I got the thermostat back on, the fan set to auto, and we will check to see if we're getting 24 volts here. Got one lead on the transformer, one on green. Switch my meter back to volts. And I got 27.5 volts going from the transformer to the green. So I'm definitely getting my 24 volts over. It's just not coming out and starting the fan, so that would lead me to believe the blower board is bad. Alright, we got our new blower board. Now we'll just unhook this one, go wire for wire, and hook up the new one. And how I know that's pretty much the problem is this relay right here. If this switch in here will get stuck open, then it won't close. You won't get your power going through. So I've had quite a few of these already. You know, after you check, you got your low voltage, you got your high voltage, the cap's good, the motor's good, thermostat's good. I mean, the only thing left then is the board. You know, well, your transformer, obviously. If you have your 24 volts, then you know the transformer's good. So we'll start unhooking this and we'll hook up the new one. Alright, I got the old board out. Now we'll put these little plastic clips back in. They just push down in. And then we'll start going wire for wire. Probably gonna need 2 hands for this, but you get the point. Just start pulling out each wire and hook them on your new board. Here's the new board right here. Just push it down on. locks on. Just unhook your low voltage over here and all your high voltage wires over here. Alright, we got the new board in, it's all wired up. So now, put the disconnect back in. And we'll set the thermostat to fan on. See if it fires. There we go. Alright, I'm going to button this all back up and get the person some AC. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.